Please be seated. True passion doesn't fade with time, it only grows stronger with a purpose. A great quote by Eleanor Hartman. Jai Hind, and a very good evening to our respected guest, Ms. Prabha Naini, our Managing Director, Dr. Jai Singh, esteemed faculty members, and my fellow students of IIEBM. We also acknowledge the presence of her nephew, Mr. Arun Naini, and her grandson, Mr. Neeraj Atawale. I, Siddharth Dubey, your MC for today, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the orientation program for the batch 2025-27. It's a matter of great honor and pride to introduce a woman whose journey is a beautiful blend of passion, performance, and purpose. Our guest today, Ms. Prabha Nani. Ma'am, may I have your permission to proceed? Thank you, ma'am. Miss Prabhanani is someone who turned a childhood fascination with automobiles into a lifelong pursuit filled with achievements, recognition, and community service. At the age of just 24, she bought her very own Austin 7, a 1934 model, and since then, her love for vintage cars has only grown stronger. What began as a personal passion soon turned into a trail of accomplishments in the world of vintage car and scooter rallies. From the early 1917 to as recently as 2023, Miss Nanny has left a lasting mark at numerous events across the country. Whether it was the Statesman Rally in Bombay, the Oberoi Sheraton Rally, or the VCCCI events in Pune and Mumbai. She has consistently stood out of her performance, winning trophies from reputed names like API, Castrol, Air India, and Indian Airlines. In 1973, she won the Air India Trophy for Best Lady Driver and the Sports Week Trophy for cars under 10 horsepower, milestones that set her apart what was a male dominated space before. Her car, the beloved Austin 7, has been admired for its immaculate upkeep and long distance performance at the 2023 VCCCI Pune Fiesta. She was awarded both the Best Restored Vintage Car, third prize, and a Lifetime Achievement Award, acknowledging her decades long dedication to the vintage automobile community. But beyond rallies and trophies, Miss Nanny's story is also one of the service. With over 40 years of professional work experience, she has been deeply involved in social work, especially empowering women in rural areas and supporting underprivileged patients in hospitals. Since the year 2000, she has also volunteered with the Pune Police Department through the organization Nirdhar, helping manage traffic, guide school children and parents during peak hours, and assist at busy traffic squares during major holidays. A postgraduate in personal management, Miss Nanny is not only an achiever but also a person of immense humility. Her hobbies are driving, reading, and music that reflects a life lived with passion, purpose, and balance. We are truly honored to have you with us today, ma'am. I now request our MD, Dr. Jai Singh, to kindly felicitate our guest.
Before we give the mic to ma'am, I must share with you how I got to know her. I was barely 10, 11 years old when I used to cycle in the lanes of Pune and Prabhat Road. And I saw a very beautiful vintage car, which is a prized possession, standing in a bungalow. So inquisitive, I rang the bell, and this gentle lady, without batting an eyelid, she entertained me, and she asked me to come in, and she told me everything about her car and also a Lambretta that you had, madam. Yeah, a Vespa she had. So she told me everything about that, and she shared a lot of, a story about that car and her passion. And that has been one of the reasons why I got very passionate about vintage cars and whatever little collection. The people behind the motivation or the encouragement are people like them who, encourage people to have a passion and to pursue it. So one, she could have just said, I don't know you, but rather she, encouraged, shared a lot of knowledge, and that's how we got connected. As I said, when I was 10, so it was very, very long back, and the relationship still continues. And she's a great role model, not only in cars but the kind of service she's doing. So it's really commendable, and I'm very honored that you have come to the campus, madam. Please, if you could. Collar mic.
Podium will be okay. Okay, sir.
Thanks a lot. लोकांना दिसणार असेल तर मग मी तिकडे जाते.
Yeah, yeah.
Namaste everyone. Today it's my great honor that Jai Singh Jini called me here to talk to you and to see his fleet of cars in which I am very much interested. Now, first of all, let me thank him for inviting me here. Actually, I am not very, what I should say, used to give speeches. So I'm just reading, and he has told me to tell my Austin's story, which I am reading it. I bought this car, lovely car, on 22nd of July 1964. Honestly, I fell in love with her when I first saw her. So I couldn't stop to find the owner of that car. Luckily, I found him and went to him and politely asked him if he is interested in selling that car. So he was so surprised. He said, "No, ma'am, I don't want to sell." I said, "Okay." Then, I was little nervous, but then I didn't split, and I decided to pursue this for getting the car. I took the owner's telephone number. Few days passed, and I again contacted him. To my luck, this time he said, "Yes, madam, I want to sell my car because I have bought a new car." So I requested him to wait for me. I will immediately come. I rushed to him with my uncle, Mr. Joe, and the deal was finalized, and I bought my baby Austin at home. Then my journey started with her. We used to take her to Mumbai several times during old Bombay Pune road, but she never tired nor gave me any trouble. So sound, reliable, and trustworthy she was that I took her to Hyderabad also with my sister to participate in the vintage car fiesta organized by Department of Tourism Andhra Pradesh and Sikandarabad Roundtable 33 in the year 1980, and I was awarded 2 prizes. I started taking her to participate in many vintage car rallies from 1971 to 2023. in which she was awarded with many trophies and awards. To me, she is like my daughter. In winter, I love her so much that in winter, I used to wipe her with warm water. Now, let me tell you about some vintage car rallies. These old cars are classified in 5 different categories. They are like that. Antique cars. They are built. The cars built during before 31st December 1920. Then vintage cars. They are built during 1st January 20 to 31st December 1940. Then post-war, or they call it classic cars. They are also like vintage cars. Then post-war cars. Those are non-classic cars. They are from 1st January 41 to 31st December 2007. And recent classic cars are 1st January 1961 to 31st December 2007. The other feature of the rallies is the criteria to judge for the trophies and awards. There are six different categories. One is best maintained car. Second is best performance of the car. Third is car participating from the longest distance. Fourth is best period costume. Then best performance by a lady driver. And last is only ladies crew. Now in Hyderabad, we decided to participate in period costume. Since we were going from Maharashtra, we decided to go in a Jagirdar's dress. Myself and my sister, both of us went, and that Jagirdar has long, big mustaches. So I wore that. And my sister, she was with 9 years, 9 saris, and then the ornaments and all those things. My car was open, and when the rally route took place, my mustaches were, they were going. So I was conscious, and I was doing like this. So people who were saying, "Didi muh sambalo, Didi muh sambalo," they used to shout at that. That was a very interesting and majestic. Then mostly about the vintage cars these days, there are a lot of things are going on. Government is trying to scrap them, but there are people who love cars like anything, and there is a lot of what you call it. People are not liking that, so government has stopped so far not to scrap the cars. Now, last but not least, let me tell you that I read 5 sentences of our late Honorable President APJ Abdul Kalam. He said to say these words every morning before you start your day. Those are like that. I am the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I am the winner. And today is my day. These 5 words every day, early morning, before you start your work, you say this, and you will get lot of energy and strength. What a positive and strengthening these thoughts were. These words gave me full energy, power, and confidence during my work. My friends, I came across thousands of people in different fields and areas during my work. I am very happy to say that I gained a lot of experience and still learning a lot. I thank all of you for listening patiently. Now, in case if you want to ask me any questions, I am free to try to reply you. Okay.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Sudhanshu. So just like Jay sir shared that you made him car enthusiast. So what are the things that you car enthusiasts choose you? Just like what are the things you choose that you like cars? What made you to attract a car? What made you to be a car enthusiast? That's what I want to ask you.
My interest for developed because I have great passion for driving. I was staying on Law College Road, and I was working in international computers, which my company was almost 60 kilometers away from my house. So every day going by Metador or busway, which was very troublesome for me. So I decided to take a car. Besides that, where I was staying, the Mr. Jog, he was best in automobiles. So he also encouraged me to buy a car, and basically first I bought a Vespa scooter, and my first rally was in 1970 from Nagpur to Bombay, and I was the only female participant throughout India. The thing was, one Mr. Kanga, who was in our company, the advertisement came in Times of India. So he brought that and he asked me, Prabha, why don't you take part in this? Which enthused me a lot. And since then, I started taking part in the rallies. That was two rallies of two-wheelers and rest of the rallies. Then in 1964, I bought Austin. And since then, I started doing that. And only because of my passion for driving. That is the reason. I'm hard of hearing, so just tell me what it is.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Khushi. Your love for cars and dedication to community service is incredibly inspiring. My question to you is, have you ever faced setbacks? And if yes, how did you cope up and continue?
Basically, I will tell you the vintage cars, its mechanism. So, because of that, I knew that there are many mechanics, but all are not reliable. So, I in 1934, 1964, I did one course of 6 months of motor mechanic and learn all the basic things of the car, whereby no mechanic will deceive me कि ये part ये है वो part वो है. So that he shouldn't do that. That is the main thing which I did initially when I bought Austin car. And then, of course, good cars are there, mechanics are there. But for these old cars, there are nowadays. I think it is very difficult to get mechanics to repair those cars. And besides that, we have to import the parts because we don't get the parts here. So that also is another difficulty in getting that.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Maybe someday I would like to age like you. Thank you so much.
Yes. Come here. No, it's okay.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Asmi Sinha. I actually don't have any question, but I just want to share one thing that how inspirational and motivational you are. It was really a joy to hear you, and it is really good to have you here. Thank you so much. You're very sweet and cute.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jai Hind, ma'am. My name is Sahil. So I wanted to ask that I am also in love with cars, and I have seen that the changes that have happened from vintage cars to modern cars. So what are means what do you see the unique change that the unique thing that is in your car as a feature that means is not there in today's car? For example, in your model, I have seen that it is a hand crank model from front side. So anything like unique that is only there in vintage cars from your era?
Basically what has happened, these new cars, they have become very light. If you give one kick to my Austin, it will not have any dent. But if you go and take any other new car and just give one kick, there will be a dent. That is main thing. Because the material they used to use it was very genuine and durable. That is the main thing. Besides that, uh, the mechanism was very simple. Actually, Austrian cars in England, they were made mainly for ladies. It is very light car. You can handle it very easily. And the mechanism is so simple, even if the, what do you call it, radiator fan, when it belts, and if it breaks down, any lady can put that belt there. It is so simple. So that is the main important difference between modern cars and old cars.
Jain ma'am, I'm Dipali Choksi. Ma'am, not every, but there are men who thinks that women are bad drivers. So what are your thoughts on that?
I will tell you, when I went for this scooter rally, I was to go to Nagpur, and that fag off was from one of the ministers. So he told me, you stand and tell something to people. So what I told them, female are not far behind in this field also. That was my sentence when I said. So you don't worry, female are equally good. They are equally smart. They can do it whatever they want. Only little ताकत का थोड़ा सवाल आता है, but that can be managed. So don't worry about that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jai Hind ma'am, my name is Ishita, and I wanted to ask you that how are you so energetic, because we as a student also get tired and give up, but you are so energetic.
I think by grace of God. No, I do everything myself.
Okay.
No, I don't have any servants. I do everything right from the beginning. I do that. So little active hai. So I can manage. And everyone should do that. ये कोई इसको काम वाली मांगती है, ये मांगता है. No, do it yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tiwari. Actually, thank you so much for coming here to inspire us. My question is, what did you learn in your incredible journey of life? And please give me some points to our generation. Some advice you want.
Uh, See, actually, my life was in very hardship because my parents were in Burma for 26 years. And during Second World War, we left everything and came to India. Actually, I was just 5 years old, And myself, my sister, and brother, we three of us came from a Hamal ke pit par बैठ के Assam ka 9 hills we came, and then we left at Manipur. We left this. So generally, and then our family was quite big. So all of us we had to learn, and education was there. So it was very hard for our family to go. So from that hardship, we learned so many things, how to manage. Then my father has to go back for his service there. So my mother was, managing everything. So we, that was the sort of, it was our duty to help her sort of. So economy was there. Then school ka jo ye hota tha, that responsibility was there. So we learned out of that. And now I think I am sure that all of you must have taken inspiration and get yourself ready. Don't try to sort of go back. Go ahead. I read those 5 sentences of our president, which are very encouraging and giving you strength. So go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your inspiring journey with us. Your passion, dedication, and lifelong commitment to service have truly left us motivated. You have shown that purpose and passion can go hand in hand, no matter the age or stage of life. We are grateful for your presence today, ma'am, and hope to welcome you again soon. Thank you once again, ma'am. Jai Hind.